The affinity is the jewel in the crown, where it can be done manually or automatically. As we are going to see, normally it is done automatically, which is send to calculate an affinity. Here you could send to calculate an affinity. I'm going to do that. And you will see how now what the system is doing now is crawl as if it were Google the Cycling in Depth website. It has previously crawled the Buo Bike one, which is the one of your project. Now it is crawling up to 10,000 URLs of Cycling in Depth, and it is going to extract the content. Attention! It is going to extract its content, the content of the 10,000 URLs. It is going to extract the tagging, the meta title, the meta description within the 10,000 URLs, the content and the meta title and description, and it would also take into account the terms for which they rank. Well, now we have the result. You give it here, and you see that. This is the semantic affinity between Cycling in Depth and your website. This is not done through repetition of words. It is nuanced. The roots of the words are taken out. It is tokenized. It is done through natural language processing and through artificial intelligence. The level of semantic affinity is calculated. It is also telling you, for example, this is a little tip that I am going to give you here. When I see that, for example, bicycles or cyclists or cycling, or even saddle are in big what I keep in my mind when it comes to make this strategy of in-building is that these sites, although this we will see in the management phase, these sites are good to link them, for example, to the category of saddles or to the category of bicycles, because it will be absolutely natural. We always look a lot at the affinity. Also, this is also important that you know that if in the configuration of the project you enter the keywords, although we will see it in a specific lesson, but in the general configuration of the project you enter here the keywords that you are interested in, considering when calculating the affinity, that is to say a site that positions for terms that you want to position, will also consider them when calculating the affinity to give you more value as saying that it has affinity also with the terms for which you want to position. The affinity is gold. I say it is gold because it is what we spent the strategy with Link Affinity, and it works amazing.